Hello mga ka-organic. I'll be answering some questions regarding Organic Nature's Inner Glow Beauty Powder Drink. And the first question is this one.
Is it FDA approved?
So the answer is yes. Organic Nature Inner Glow Beauty Powder Drink is FDA approved. And what does that mean? It means we complied with the necessary safety and regulatory standards of FDA. So ano ibig sabihin? All of you consumers can take this product with confidence. Second question.
Does it have sugar as a sweetener?
The Organic Nature Inner Glow Beauty Powder Drink does not contain any sugar, meaning it is very safe to be taken by diabetic people or people who wants not to have any sugar intake in their diet. Kasi we only use stevia, which is a natural sweetener. Question number 3.
What type of collagen did you use for it?
The Inner Glow used type 1 marine collagen, which is sourced from Japan. There are 3 types of collagen, and we use type 1 collagen for this beauty powder drink as it gives firmer skin and supports skin health. We used marine collagen because it is 1.5 times more bioavailable than other collagens. Ano ba meaning nito? Ibig sabihin, it has smaller particles para mas madali i-digest ng katawan. We used hydrolyzed marine collagen, meaning nito ay it's easily absorbed by the body. Kanina, sabi ko marine siya kasi easily digested. Ngayon, hydrolyzed easily absorbed naman. So, it's better to be using a hydrolyzed marine collagen which Organic Nature Inner Glow Beauty Powder Drink used. Question number 4.
What are the key whitening ingredients of Inner Glow?
We use glutathione, which is sourced from Japan, with pearl-coix extract, which are the key ingredients in skin whitening. So, together, they aim to promote fairer skin, improve our complexion with a brighter, glowing skin. Question number 5.
Tell us more about it.
There's also vitamin C in this product. Kasi the vitamin C will enhance the efficiency of the whitening ingredients. Kaya, mas magiging effective para ma-achieve natin yung glowing, brightened skin. Question number 6.
What are the benefits of taking Inner Glow?
Inner Glow Beauty Powder Drink by Organic Nature is a drink that has a powerful combination for overall wellness. With the combination of all its ingredients, the whitening ingredients plus the collagen, it can help detoxify our body, boost the immune system, reduces inflammation, improves skin elasticity. It also helps remove wrinkles, and it gives us overall hydration. Altogether, they help keep your skin looking youthful and brighter.
Follow-up questions.
Another question is, safe daw ba ito para sa pregnant and lactating women? Technically, the answer is also yes. But it's always best to consult your healthcare professional kasi sila yung nakakaalam ng iyong health conditions. Kasi baka mamaya mag-interfere ito dun sa present na tinitake nyo ng mga medications. And itong beauty powder drink ay hindi lang ito pang babae. Ito ay iniinom din ng mga lalaki na gusto rin maging flawless at magkaroon ng brighter, even skin tone.